Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I got a Rubik's Cube, another one. Here it is. Look at the glory. It's a 5x5 Rubik's Cube. Here's my 3x3. Another 3x3, another 3x3. Here's one of those cool cubes. Those that can break apart as well. 2x2. 4x4. I'm getting a speed cube tomorrow of a 4x4. This is just a regular 4x4 by Rubik's. And here's my 5x5. Let's open it. Oh wow, that's beautiful. Look at that. Look at the size comparison. Wait, what? How is a 4x4 bigger? 4x4 is bigger. Oh wow, that's smooth. Of course, I don't have any magnets like this one because it's a 5x5. I mean, maybe they do. I don't know. It's nice. It's really nice. Turns really nice. Does it corner cut that well? Oh. See the inside? Corner cut. Corner cut's okay, I guess. I don't know. Can I do the algorithm? Yes, I can. Reverse algorithm. That's cool. I always wanted to do this though. When I got my 5x5, I wanted to do this so bad. You'll see what I'm doing in a second. You probably do see already, you know? You're seeing already. Oh my gosh, it's turning out so good. Yes, come on, yes. Oh, checkerboard pattern, let's go. That looks so beautiful. Look at that. Let's hope I can get it back. I don't want to scramble it. I don't want to scramble it this early. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Oh, oh, oh. Yes. Yes. Look at it. I'm going to checkerboard pattern out here pretty easily. Kind of cool, right? Yeah. I want a 1x1. Can't do the checkerboard pattern on there, you know. Look at this one. Look at this one. Look at this one. Here's a sticker cube. This one's coming up. Ooh, I hate it. 4x4. Another 4x4. And a star cube. Probably heard one of these before, right? Star cube. Love star cubes. In my 2x2. I could scramble it real quick, I guess. Scramble it. Okay, it's scramble. It is fully scrambled. I don't know why I did that. That's not really recommended. I don't really have a real timer. I'm really fast at these. Sometimes I'm kind of slow like right now. Because you're watching me. Because you're watching me. And also this thing. Stupid sometimes. Really stupid. Yeah. No. Oh. Oh. Please be right. Yay. Okay. And bam, there's all my Rubik's Cubes. Oh, Shishibo. Couldn't even find where it started. I like Shishibo cubes a lot, yeah. They're pretty cool, you know, pretty cool. Look at that. Back. And the weirdest one. I mean, not the weirdest one. up here makes it. The weirdest Rubik's Cube is probably this one or this one. These are not actually real Rubik's Cubes. Basically, they are, kinda. This is actually not really a Rubik's Cube. This is more a Rubik's Cube, but this is not really a Rubik's Cube. But it's basically a Rubik's Cube because you still need to solve it. So, yeah. And also it's a square that you need to get. It's not the colors, it's the shape. That's why it's not really a real Rubik's Cube. I want to get one of those Rubik's Cubes that you have to, the shape, get the shape, you know, the correct shape. Where one of them is like long, one of them is thinner, one of them is really thin. When you scramble it, it's like different ways. You can't really turn this one. This is one like this. Yeah. This is fun to fidget with, you know. Endless cube. And here's my brand new cube. Here's my 4x4. Ew, hear how loud it is? Hear this? And then hear this? Okay, now hear this. So nice. Love it. This needs some lubing. This needs some lubing as well. This needs way more lubing. This one? Ew. Wait. Whatever. Okay. My favorite one. This one, and this one, and this one, and this one. All my speed cubes. I love them. They're beautiful. Without the lines, you know, without that. And also it's not slow. So I hope you liked this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye, peace out, and watch out!